Hi, Bob Freeman here with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. Here today to talk to you about Boston Whaler's 2019 330 Outrage. Let's start with the profile of the boat. As you can see, the lines on the Outrage are absolutely beautiful. It's a very seaworthy boat, and it'll handle the big water no problem. It'll also handle the shallow water pretty well as well. So it's a very versatile boat. It's got the heavy-duty auto trims on here. And then we've got the underwater lights, and we've got the brand new for 2019, the new V8 300 horsepower Verados. They're absolutely beautiful engines. They're more powerful, they're lighter, they're quieter, they're less vibrations. They just really have jumped it up about 10 notches coming up with the new motors. They're a pleasure to drive, and they get this thing moving and grooving in a real short period of time. So let's hop on board and see the rest. Here we are on board. Let's start at the back of the boat. It does two things very well. If you're fishing, it does that very well. We've got rod holders in the back, very large live well right here. And if you are not fishing, you've got the fold down seat that pops right out, comfy seat right here. You've got the dive door, which is great for a lot of things, very convenient, pulling the fish on and off, swimming. It does pretty much, it's really one of the better features on the boat. Nice, comfortable two-person seat, rear-facing, so you can have conversations and drinks and cocktails and appetizers right here. But if you are fishing, you got a second live well. Both of them very large, so you got plenty of room for the bait, and you also have a prep. This turns into a prep station. So, cutting the fish, preparing everything, right here, nicely done. As we move to the helm, we've got plenty of room for the electronics. Most of the whalers we bring in don't have electronics, so you can pick your Garmin, your Raymarine, Veruno, whatever you like. We got all the room in the world to put them in here, so plenty of room. You got your vessel view, which is a computer, runs everything. Digital throttle and shift, joystick, which has an autopilot. It's got sky hook, gets you sideways into the slip, sideways out. It doesn't get any easier. As we move towards the head area, very large head area, a lot of storage down there. You got the vacuum flush head. We have a window for daylight and fresh air, and that's your convenient storage place right down on the left. It's your ladder for the dive door, so it's conveniently located and kept out of the way, nice and safe. We move to the bow. Very comfortable, two-person, three if you want to be a little cozy, and what a great place to ride. It's just fantastic. And then also we have an incredible amount of storage. So they get the two whaler buckets down there, but you got rod storage. You can put up a half a dozen rods in there, no problem. So it really does. It's an incredible amount of space for a boat. You never have enough space, and this one's got it. Lastly, we've got the forward area here. Set up now for lounging, whatever. You get the stainless steel rails. We also have the sun tops up here, which go up and down. These posts go up and down in a minute and a half. So it gives you shade pretty much throughout the whole boat. Recessed anchor, plenty of room up there for fishing. Again, it'll do your deep water. It'll do the going down to the Keys. It'll go to the Bahamas. It'll do the backwaters here. It'll pretty much do anything you want it to do. It's a great all-around boat. So if you have any questions on it, my name is Bob Freeman. Give me a call at 603-213-1194.